Greetings of the day.
Today we will discuss about rational and irrational number and a little bit about number system.
This flowchart is showing how our number system is divided into parts.
Number system is divided into two parts, real number and imaginary numbers. And real numbers are further divided into two parts, rational numbers and irrational numbers.
Now I will tell you about rational and irrational number. The numbers which we can write in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q both are integers and Q is not equal to the 0. For example, 22 upon 7, it is a rational number. And now you have a question that 0 is a rational number or not. It is a rational number because we can write it in the form of P upon Q by adding upon 1. Okay.
I have a question. Are decimal numbers rational numbers?
Yes, decimal numbers are rational number. Actually, decimal numbers are divided into two parts, terminating and non-terminating. For example, 3.73. It is a terminating decimal number because it has a certain end. And we can write it in the form of P upon Q by removing the decimal. So it is a rational number. Now I will tell you about non-terminating and actually non-terminating numbers are further divided into two parts, non-terminating but repeating, non-terminating and not repeating. The number after decimal which are following a certain pattern are called non-terminating but repeating numbers. So this is a rational number. But the numbers, for example, but this is an example of irrational because after decimal this is not following a certain pattern, so it is an irrational number.
And the numbers which don't follow the properties of rational number are known as irrational number. For example, under root 7. This cannot be written in the form of P upon Q, so this is a irrational number. And the numbers which is explained by Manvi, that non-terminating numbers which are non-repeating are also included in non-rational numbers, irrational numbers.
I have a question. Pi is a rational number or irrational number?
Pi is a irrational number. The value which we use in calculation is 22 upon 7, which is a rational number. But this is not the appropriate value for pi. Pi is a non-terminating number which we use as 3.14, but it is a non-terminating and non-repeating number. So it is a irrational number. But when we are talking about 22 upon 7, it's a rational number. And now, rational numbers. It has three parts, natural number, whole number and integers. So first we will discuss about what are natural numbers. The numbers starting from 1 to infinite are called natural numbers, and when we include 0 in it, then it is called whole numbers. The sign which we use to show natural number is n, and the sign to show whole number is w.
And the numbers which consist of positive integers, negative numbers and 0 are called integers. For means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3 are integers, and they are also infinity.
May I ask you a question?
Yes.
Is 0 a positive number or negative number?
0 is not a negative number and neither a positive number.
Okay. Now we have a question, how are natural, whole and integers rational number? So if we have a natural number 3, how it is a rational number? It is not written in the form of P upon Q. It is an integer, but it's not written in the form of P upon Q. Then how it is a rational number? But we can write this in the form of P upon Q, as we can add a 1 in the denominator, and this is a rational number, as this follow all the properties of rational number. Both of these are integers. This is written in the form of P upon Q, and 1 is even not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. and this properties goes with integers, whole numbers and natural numbers for the three of them. That's true. All for today. Thank you.